Have you been feeling insecure about your body lately? Like your face feels so puffy, your neck is non-existent, your arms feel heavy, your belly looks like it is storing 7 years worth of food in there, and worst of all, your favorite top doesn't fit you anymore. Bestie, this is one of the worst feelings in the world, especially when all you see on TikTok is girls with sculpted jawlines and the tiniest waist. I know genetics play a role here though. This can even make you question your life decisions. But guess what? It all ends here because in this video, I'm sharing the 4 most powerful scientifically proven tips to help you lose weight faster and safely. And these tips will not just help you lose weight, but it'll help you feel in control of your body, reverse any health issue, and feel so confident in yourself. So make sure to stick till the end because by the end of this video, you're going to be able to wear that dress without having to suck in your belly. Bestie, let me be so honest with you. The reason you've been doing 100 crunches, eating healthy, drinking that sad little detox tea, and still seeing 0 results, it's not because your body is broken, it's because your blood sugar is acting like a telenovela villain. Dramatic, unpredictable, and ruining everything. So the first tip is to balance your blood sugar, aka insulin level. Your blood sugar literally controls whether your body burns fat or stores it. Think of it like your body's traffic light. When it's balanced, green light, baby, your metabolism's cruising. When it spikes up and down all day, red light. And that's why you're doing everything right. But your body's like, nah, we're keeping the belly fat just in case. See, every time your blood sugar spikes, maybe from your morning toast, that sugary coffee, or that late night, just one slice of cake, your insulin goes, let's store that sugar, queen. And when insulin's high all the time, your body literally can't burn fat efficiently. It's too busy locking everything up in your fat cells, like it's Fort Knox. Alright, bestie, now that you know blood sugar is the sneaky reason your body's been holding on to weight like it's a souvenir, let's talk about how to actually balance it. Because you don't have to give up your favorite foods or go on some monk-level diet. So here's the deal. Balancing your blood sugar is all about how you eat, when you eat, and what you pair together. It's not just what's on your plate. It's the order you eat it in, bestie. Let's start with mornings, because that's where most people mess up. If your first meal of the day is something sugary, like coffee with cream and sugar or toast with jam or cereal, you've already sent your blood sugar on a roller coaster before 9 a.m. You'll get that fake burst of energy, then crash by 11 and start craving snacks you don't even like. So instead of that, start your day with a protein-rich breakfast, something like eggs, Greek yogurt, chia pudding with almond butter, or even a smoothie loaded with protein powder, fiber, and healthy fats. When you give your body protein first thing in the morning, you're telling your blood sugar, relax. We're not doing chaos today. You stay full longer, your cravings go poof, and your energy stays steady. Now, let's talk about meal order. When you sit down to eat, the order you eat your food literally determines how your body reacts. You always want to eat in this order. Fiber first, protein next, fats next, and finally carbs. Because fiber and protein slow down how fast your body absorbs sugar. It's like giving your blood sugar a chill pill before the carbs show up. So imagine you're about to eat rice and chicken with veggies. You start with your veggies first, that's your fiber, then your protein, the chicken, then finish with the rice. Boom! Balanced blood sugar, no bloating, no energy crash, no cravings after. And bestie, here's a secret weapon. Apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon in water before meals can help your body manage blood sugar levels like magic. Also, here's something that literally flattens your blood sugar curve. Walking after meals. I know it sounds basic, but even a 10 to 15 minute walk after eating helps your muscles use up some of that sugar in your bloodstream. You can eat healthy, go to the gym, do your cute little morning walks, but if you're sleeping 4 hours a night and constantly stressing out, your body's never going to let go of fat. Yeah, I said what I said. Because here's the truth. Your body doesn't know the difference between I'm late for class stress and a bear's chasing me stress. It reacts the same way. It releases a hormone called cortisol. Now, cortisol isn't all bad. You actually need it to wake up in the morning and function. But when you're constantly tired, anxious, or scrolling through chaos at 2 a.m., your cortisol stays high all day. And the wild part is, high cortisol doesn't just make you store fat, it also messes with your hunger hormones. You start craving sugar, bread, and comfort foods because your body's literally begging for quick energy. That's why when you're stressed, you start craving chips. Your body can't burn fat when it thinks it's in a war zone. So here's how to calm your cortisol and let your body finally relax enough to lose weight naturally. Have enough sleep. Not just, I close my eyes. You need quality sleep, 7 to 9 hours. When you sleep, your body resets your hormones, repairs your muscles, and balances your metabolism. Don't drink caffeine after noon. Caffeine blocks adenosine, the sleepiness chemical, and it can keep your cortisol levels high even at night. And girl, stop doom scrolling right before sleep. Blue light, TikTok drama, replying to that one person who ghosted you in July, all of that raises cortisol. Again, eat real meals. When you skip meals or eat too little, your body thinks you're starving. Instant cortisol spike. Lastly, move, but don't overdo it. High-intensity workouts every single day can backfire when your body's already stressed. Try walking, yoga, or Pilates in between. All right, bestie, let's talk about your metabolism. Because no, it's not broken, it's just bored. Your metabolism isn't something you're stuck with, it's something you train. Think of it like a tiny fire inside you. If you barely feed it, it slows down. But if you give it steady fuel and movement, that flame burns all day, right? Even when you're scrolling in bed. So here's how to keep your metabolism alive. Build some muscle. You don't need to live at the gym. Just 2 to 3 resistance workouts a week is fine. Muscle burns calories even while you're sleeping. Also, move your body frequently. You don't have to run, just move. Take short walks after meals or pace while on calls. Movement keeps your metabolism from falling asleep. Most importantly, stop starving yourself. Eating too little slows your metabolism down. Your body needs energy to burn energy. Feed it well, especially protein. Lastly, stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration slows fat burning. Once you start moving consistently and fueling your body properly, everything changes. You'll have more energy, your appetite evens out, and your body starts burning fat naturally because it finally feels safe and supported. So, we've fixed your blood sugar, balanced your hormones, and boosted your metabolism. But now, it's time for the one thing that ties everything together. The thing that controls your cravings, your mood, your digestion, your energy, even your fat storage. And no, I'm not exaggerating. It's your gut. Yep, that thing you probably only think about when it's bloated or gurgling at the worst possible time. Your gut is like the control center of your entire body. When your gut is healthy, everything flows. But when it's inflamed or unbalanced, your body holds on to weight no matter what you do. That's because your gut bacteria communicate directly with your hormones. When your gut is off, those signals get mixed up, so you feel hungry even when you're full and tired even when you've eaten. So here's how to keep your gut healthy. Eat more real, whole foods. Your gut bacteria feed on fiber. Every time you eat processed food, you starve the good bacteria and feed the bad ones. Add fruits, veggies, and fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or kefir. Think of it like watering your internal garden. Cut down on sugar and artificial sweeteners. They destroy your good gut bacteria and make your cravings worse. Drink more water and less alcohol. Water keeps your gut lining healthy. Alcohol and soda, on the other hand, cause inflammation that slows digestion and bloating. Add probiotics or prebiotics. Probiotics add healthy bacteria. Prebiotics feed them. When your gut starts healing, everything else becomes effortless. You digest food better. Your bloating goes away. Your cravings calm down. Your energy skyrockets. And your body finally feels safe enough to release that stubborn fat it's been holding on to. So bestie, those are the 4 scientifically proven ways to lose weight. But remember, it's not just about the number on the scale. It's about feeling light, confident, and alive again. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your energy, confidence, and mindset transform together. See you next time, besties. Ciao!